Can't remove missed call notifications on your iPhone? It can be frustrating when they stay even after checking the call. In this guide, I'll show you how to clear them easily. Let's get started. Solution 1. Manually clear the notification. Swipe down from the top of the screen to access your notification center. Find the missed call notification. Swipe left on the notification and tap clear. If the notification remains, try restarting your iPhone and check again. Solution 2. Check your call history. Open the phone app. Tap recent at the bottom. If the missed call still appears, tap the icon next to it and select Clear All. This should remove the notification if it's tied to the call history. Solution 3. Remove iCloud phone sync. Open Setting. Tap Apple ID. Tap iCloud. Tap See All. Find out Phone and FaceTime. Toggle off and toggle it back on. Solution 4. Disable and re-enable notifications for phone app. Open Settings. Scroll down and tap Notifications. Scroll down and tap Phone. Toggle off Allow Notifications, then wait a few seconds and toggle it back on. Exit Settings and check if the missed call notification is clear. Just do these steps and you should be able to fix the missed call notification that won't go away on your iPhone. Let me know if this worked for you or if you have any other questions.